John, so I think what those attending can expect is going to be much different than what they're used to in attending other shows. For most of, actually all the other shows they've attended, it's always been for kind of like the greater community versus just focused in on that rotorcraft MRO community. So as part of that, there's two locations that were selected. The first is going to be for the Canadian side, and that will be at the Kelowna, the KF Center of Excellence, and that's going to be held October 7th to 9th. And the reason that that location was chosen is because it's right at the airport. And then the same will hold true for our show that we'll be having in Irving, Texas. And that's going to be November 10th to 12th.